Dar așa e frumos ca să țină suport.
Asta e așa, mă. Welcome back to my channel. This week I want to finish this Mercedes because stay in my garage around 2 months. So I have all parts, new piston, one new rod. Piston is coming completely the ring. I buy these tools for nothing. The main bearing in this, it's matched to this rod 222. The upper section, it's all yellow. So here one yellow, this is up yellow, this is empty, this is another, oh, and this. I connect all the rod to piston. Now I have need a push piston in cylinder. Okay.
But in my now, everything is fixed.
So maybe that's just the previous.
And then,
Maybe that's the wrong recording of the.
but today I see one email. And maybe your place you told me that you about to speak in the
Right?
in your email. Today I received one email, yeah, and she has paid 50 pounds. Is applied to the apartment meter. This is 50 pounds. For policy for BMW is fine.
You have to be able to show it up. For what?
It's easy. I have something ready to
I wasn't understanding what.
today I see one email. Yeah, 1%. Yeah. In this email, I have this payment 50 pounds. You understand? What pounds? For this side. How much? 50 pounds. Yeah, you are just letting you know about the 50 pounds. And if you found the full details of the full video, then it's something. So in the email, I take it. Then I have 50 pounds.
Yeah, it's common.
And what I can go to the video to the device. And I go to the first. If you go to one thing, I have that 50 pounds. What's the and the second part, I have to 1%. One is the part, and then this time I have the notebook. Because before I come to 1%, I have to use the notebook. For lucky, I have this 1%, you do the first one, notebook. But I have one is part. Because before I have the other 7, you do 1%, and the other one is 5%. The 7 one, I do 1%. 67. Yeah, and the other is 5. Is the one is in the 0. I have 1%. But before this part, I have the 2%. What is happening? I don't know exactly. Yeah, it's one second.
Okay, looks okay. Now I install another piston and I record when I put head cylinder.
Okay, the oil piston is in, gasket is on, head is all ready, it's clean. Now put on. Oh, așa. Și nu s-o prind orice. Nu le pun încă.
So the head is on. I starting to install camshaft. First I put exhaust camshaft. I clean all rocket, tappet, all it's spongy. And next I install the intake camshaft, which is more interesting because use some technology like a Honda Civic VTEC, and is controlled with this motor come here. Okay. First I put rocket, and after camshaft I use the alignment tools with this engine. I recording later. So I put camshaft on. Now I put another part, the timing. Here it's very important. So I install the camshaft locking tools. I put this cover for see this point is there, the crankshaft position. Now install tensioner, and that's it. Because here it's coming tensioner, chain tensioner, like this. Okay, another thing, I take off this. And I install this gear with this one. This is a little locking pin. It's coming there. Okay, this is coming here. Da și pe no, I put fuck. Which just up there. Now it's better have access. Okay, so install the hook. This is easy to lost. I lost one. Okay. See you. Okay. Nozzles. Okay, it's okay. Now little oil on this. Okay. Now install this. One is for chain, for main chain. One is for oil chain. Okay, nice. Okay. Before put this chain, put the oil chain, which is there. A little rubbish. Okay, now I need to know when a piston it's up to maximum position. Okay, and if you look this, oh, was in maximum position. Okay, something like that. One guide is installed, need one pin here and one pin there for tensioner extension here. So this one is go there, but not stay alone. And have this pin there. I like to install this. You need one normal bolt, one bolt not rust. First I put this pin. Okay. Yeah. For install this, just pam. Okay, not go nowhere. E împinarea aia. Do same things to another. Use little oil. New guide. Plastic guide. Put chain between the guide. Okay. Now same things. The pin is on. Okay. After the these don't have washer. So next step, I install the alignment tools, which is there, and I put timing. So I install the camshaft locking tools. I put this cover foresee this point is there, the crankshaft position. Now install tensioner, and that's it. So I put this, I put silicone, I clean supraface. Oh, take out the main bolt, the crankshaft, for have space. So I installed the oil pump, balancer shaft. Here have one mark. Here, yeah. Oil pump is on. I put new oil pump, new cable, new control oil valve. Okay, it's quiet. Okay. Now I put some cover. Before, put some extra lube. Let's check it if it's okay. It's okay. Now put some cover. I put back some cover, and I replace the main seal, the crankshaft seal. I clean supraface, aluminium, and now I install the sump oil. I clean this. Okay. So put back on, put bolt after another parts. So I install turbo water pump, some pipe. Now before put this pipe, put some oil in turbo. I think it's enough. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Again, I fixed all the pipe. The engine is 19% ready to install the car, the engine bay. Tomorrow, because now it's 6 o'clock, tomorrow I put on the car and I start in car. Bye. So engine is connect to gearbox. Now just install here the engine bay. Just two pipe here. Exhaust I put later. Let's do it. The car is ready. I put diagnostic for reset error. Battery auxiliary malfunction. Collision has been detected. Fuck. Bă, Radu! Hello, the garage is empty. No car yet. Now I make little cleaning. Put any tools. Okay.